Hey everyone, today I'm going to be replacing the rubber O-rings that are used to power the rollers on this uncapper. This is a milled aluminum uncapper from Simple Harmony Farms. I bought this last year and went to use it this year, and the O-rings are dry and cracked. One on this side had actually fallen off, and I noticed that, and I just now noticed that this side is completely cracked. I'll show you a photo that's in better focus. So on their website they do list the O-rings to use to replace. I'll include a photo here still of the part number. I ordered from the big box online ordering place that we all order from. Size is 330-7450-10, and like I say, on their website they do give you the size and which product to order for these. This was a pack of 10 that I ordered. It was about, I don't know, $12 or $13 I think for the pack of 10. So I mounted mine onto a couple of 2x4s so it sits across my uncapping tank. And then I strapped this down to the uncapping tank so it sits, or it stays sturdy. So I will be taking off these side screws. Take one end off, and then I can get the other end off as well, and then reassemble. One side is fixed, the other side is able to flex back and forth like that. That way it adjusts to the size of the frame that you put through there. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so go under, flip it, and then over that side. You want to be careful with these so you don't mess up the rollers. In fact, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put them opposite each other, 180 degrees, and then you just spin, and that gives it the flip it needs. So, I think we're going to be able to do that on the other side. Because once you do it on one side, you can't flip it that way for the other side. And here we've got the other one. Go here, we flip it, and right over that. Put it back into the mount. It's really that simple. So we move this back to this edge. Just adjust this rubber banding to the edges, and it works as designed now with brand new O-rings. Again, this is the uncapper from Simple Harmony Farms.